Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a simple way to adjust the text size of web pages in MI browsers on your phone. Changing text size. First, unlock your phone and open the MI browser. Next, look toward the bottom right side and tap on the profile icon. Then, observe at the top right corner where you will find the settings icon. Tap it to open the full list of options. After that, scroll down the settings menu until you find the option called Web Page Text Size. Once you tap on Web Page Text Size, you will see a list of options such as tiny, small, normal, large, and huge. Then, simply select the size that suits you best. The browser will immediately apply your choice to all web pages. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends.